Okay, we are going to talk about Bitcoin bust. I call it Bitcoin bust because I see Bitcoin going down to anywhere from 35,000 to 40,000 US. Here we come. Watch out below. And I'm going to show you why I am saying that. I've been saying this now for a number of months. And when I first mentioned 35,000, people thought I jumped off a spaceship or that I was totally crazy. At the time, it was 72,000. We retraced on the daily chart to 80,000, and everybody said, oh, we're going up, we're going up. Oh, he was crazy. I told you he was crazy. It's going up to 80,000. It went up to 80,000, and then it's been dropping ever since. That was just a technical retrace on the daily chart, okay? So there you go. So you can check your own charts, but basically you can prove what I just said. We've been going down ever since. We're now at around 65,000 and dropping from 72,000. So here is my rationale on the weekly chart. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder, neck or collar line. You technical aficionados out there will recognize what I'm saying. I measure the distance from the head all the way down to the neck or collar line. I project that distance down to where I see 40,000. Could go lower, 35,000. I still am sticking to 35,000 to 40,000, somewhere in that range. That's quite a drop from where we were months ago, 75,000, 80,000. Now we're down to 65,000. So I guess I was right. Hallelujah. I'm not so stupid after all. Okay, so let's just carry on here. These are the fundamental reasons for Bitcoin dropping. I'll just read the top paragraph. Bitcoin is dropping due to a combination of macro caution, capital rotation into artificial intelligence, and technical stocks stalled regulatory momentum and muted summer trading liquidity. So the key points are capital rotation, macroeconomic pressure, regulatory delays, subdued demand and liquidity, and technical factors, which I just talked about. Now, the good news here is, if there is any good news, is if you want to participate in Bitcoin going down, if you want to be able to short Bitcoin, there is a way to do it by buying BITI, which is now $23.55, and not a big deal. Most people can afford that. Times 100 shares, you should be able to afford that. This is the ProShare Short Bitcoin ETF, which targets 1 times the daily performance of Bitcoin, providing an opportunity to profit when the price of Bitcoin declines. So you can buy Bitcoin or BITI right now if you want to enjoy the drop in Bitcoin down to $35,000 to $40,000 US. The BITI index is designed to measure the performance of a single Bitcoin traded in USD and seeks to provide a proxy for the Bitcoin market. Okay, so that's how you can participate in the decline of Bitcoin. Now, the other good news is when we get down to, say, 35,000 to 40,000 US on Bitcoin, we're going to get a turnaround, and I may just buy 2 Bitcoins right then and there. It's going to be a hell of a buying opportunity, but there's a cheaper way of doing it. You can buy the ETF called BITO, B-I-T-O, versus BITI. BITI going up and BITO going, or BITI going down, BITO going up, pardon me. When Bitcoin gets down to the bottom, then buy BITO. And it's the first US Bitcoin-linked ETF that aims to produce returns that correspond to Bitcoin in a familiar, transparent ETF. So there you go. Bitcoin is on its way down. You can participate in the decline by buying BITI, and when we hit the bottom and turn around, then you want to get out of BITI and buy BITO. So there you go, my friend. I hope that's been informative. If you like what I've just said and you want to subscribe, please do that. We'd appreciate that because I'm going to be doing a lot, and I say a lot, of videos on YouTube for your education. I appreciate you being here. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for being here.